Rajya Sabha MP Sanajaoba has urged Centre to carry out detection and deportation of illegal immigrants before initiating delimitation process in Manipur. The MP raised the issue during 0 hour in the Rajya Sabha, while highlighting that alteration of existing constituencies will not be appropriate at this time, considering the law and order situation in Manipur. MP Sanajaoba informed the House that districts like Kangpokpi, Tengnopal, Chandel, Churachandpur and Ferjol districts saw significant surge in the number of villages. He asserted that these districts witnessed an abnormal increase of 122% over 5 decades. That is from 731 villages in 1969 to 1,624 in 2024. In contrast, Naga inhabited areas saw only a 9% rise, with villages increasing from 527 to 576. He argued that this stark difference points to be a deliberate attempt by a particular community to gain political advantage through illegal infiltration. The MP further maintained that illegal immigrants were exploiting the porous Indo-Myanmar border to influence electoral politics. He urged the central government to implement the National Register of Citizens NRC with 1951 as the base year and deport illegal immigrants before initiating the delimitation process. MP Sanajaoba also warned that if illegal immigrants are not detected and deported first, Manipur will face a severe demographic imbalance, threatening the future of indigenous communities in their own homeland.
The abnormal and illogical increase of villages in Kangpokpi, Tengnopal, Chandel, Churachandpur and Ferjol district since 1969 to 2024 is since 731 to 1,624, an abnormal jump of 893 villages, that is 122% in about 50 years. Sir, in contrast, the Naga-dominated areas, the increase is a mere only 9% increase. The illegal immigrants are trying to penetrate Indian administration. They are also playing electoral politics through illegal infiltration by taking the advantage of porous Indo-Myanmar international border. Before proceeding further for any kind of alteration like delimitation process in the existing electoral constituencies, it is mandatory to detect the illegal immigrant first by implementing NRC with base year 1951 and deport them to their respective countries. This will be the only logical solution. Otherwise, the state of Manipur will have a huge demographic imbalance and the indigenous people will suffer a lot in their own homeland and their questions of future existence will be uncertain and gloomy.